Hey guys, today I'll show you how to buy SPX6900 on Trust Wallet step by step. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice, just a technical guide. Let's get started. First, open Trust Wallet and tap Buy button. Then select Ethereum and purchase a minimum of $50 using Mercurio Payment Gateway. Or, you can receive Ethereum from another wallet using QR code or smart contract address. Then go to the Discover section in Trust Wallet, open Uniswap Exchange and tap Connect Wallet. Then select Trust Wallet and confirm the connection. On CoinMarketCap, search for SPX6900 and copy the contract address. Back to Uniswap, tap Select Token, then paste the contract address. Tap the token and accept the warning. Enter the amount of SPX6900 you want to buy and tap Swap. Review the transactions details and tap Confirm Swap. Check the network fees and approve the transaction. Then go to Manage Token in Trust Wallet and tap the icon. Paste the SPX6900 contract address again and tap Import. Now your SPX6900 token will appear in your wallet. That's it. You have successfully bought SPX6900 on Trust Wallet. Remember, do your own research before making any transactions. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.